How to remove page breaks on Google Docs. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. First thing you do is open up Google Chrome or any other web browser and go to docs.google.com. I already have some recent documents here, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this one right here. So once you open up your document, let's say if I just insert a page break between these two pages, what I'm going to do is move my cursor to the first page and then go to insert. And then from here, you should be able to see the break option and click on it and click on page break. So it would automatically create a page break between these two these two pages. So as you can see here, there is another page inserted. There was only two pages, so let me just show you guys. If I just undo the changes, there is only two pages here. And if I just insert a page break at the end of this, so let me just move my cursor to the end, go to insert, and from here, all you have to do now is simply go ahead and click on the page break option. So once you do that, a page break will be inserted between your pages. So in order to delete the page break, it's quite simple. All you have to do now is just go ahead and press Ctrl plus backspace. If you press Ctrl plus backspace, the page break will be deleted, or you could just go ahead and click on backspace. So let me just insert a page break here to show you guys again. I'm going to insert a break, go to page break. This is the header is on every page because I've set it that way on this particular document, but you're going to have it removed once you press Ctrl plus backspace. As you can see, the page is removed. Do the same thing. I'm going to press Ctrl plus backspace, but I'm going to move my cursor to the very top first. Keep pressing Ctrl plus backspace to remove the page break. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.